Everybody, good evening. It's Kate Loreto here. So it's our first night. It's our first night here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. So I'm so excited to show. We just arrived here in Abbottabad, and I can't tell you that it's so colorful, it's amazing, it's so interesting. I'm so excited to explore the place, honestly. So as what you can see right now in front of me is actually like what they call like their local transportation. I think in the Pinas we call it like our jeep. So this is what their jeep looks like here. So ayun, we're on top of the mountain. Para siyang city. It's like, it looks like a city like in the mountains. Something like that, okay, like a valley. Boy, this is a trademark of Abbottabad. Yung parang mga city lights. Tapos yung mga houses, located siya sa sa mountain. Ang saya niyan. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Yung track. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Na-excite na ako. Parang bagong experience na naman to all of us, everybody. Nandito ako, nakaupo lang ako sa gilid ng kotse tapos pinagmamasdan ko talaga mabuti. I'm really watching everything. I'm really observing it. Because I'm so excited. I'm kind of getting a lot of, parang confusing looks. Kasi magkataka sila. They don't get to see foreigners here a lot. So, ayun. And I will remind myself nga pala to keep speaking in English because I really wanted this video to, go get a wider audience because, just so they would understand like what I'm saying about Pakistan, how beautiful Pakistan is. I mean, I like to go on this place. It looks so lively. Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kate Loreto here. So for today, good luck ko pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. So we're gonna, go somewhere and eat the food, and we're riding the local transportation here. So let's go. I'm excited. It's my first night here in Abbottabad. So let's go. Judun Plaza.
Yeah, Judun Plaza.
We're going to Judun Plaza to the Filipino community here in Abbottabad. If you know the Judun Plaza, comment down below. How do you call this transportation here?
Yeah.
In the Philippines, we call something like this as jeepney.
Sorry?
In the Philippines, we call this a jeepney.
Suzuki.
No, like
this is Suzuki.
You call it Suzuki? Okay. Oh, Suzuki. So if I wanna ride, I will say I will ride Suzuki.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Suzuki. Ganun pala yung tawag. So that's how they call it here. Do you also do this? Like you just stand here sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay. Oy, umaangkas. Sorry. Umaangkas din sila dito. That's nice. Pwede na mo yung mga bagong sakay. Oh, everybody, let's go. Hala talaga naman sa Pakistan. There's water. It's coming in. Ay, umuulan sa loob ng sasakyan. What?
No, he knows me.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
You're watching him?
Yeah, I watch him.
Ah, okay. Watch me too. Not just also watch me. Philippines.
From Dubai.
Uy, ang gwapo mo. Kamukha ni Kashifa. Ka-braces. I like this first night in. I like this. First night, you will see yourself now in his vlog. It will be connected. Uy, hala. Ang saya naman na ito. Ay, wala akong ligo. Galing kami biyahe, so we were like, galing kami biyahe for almost 3 hours from Islamabad to Abbottabad. O yung mga katabi ko sa jeep dito, mukhang artista.
Sorry?
And I'm saying something in my language. Diyos ko, hagipin natin. Oh, so ka-artistahin. Going down now?
Yeah, it's just maybe 80 rupees or 100 rupees.
Ah, okay.
People.
Hoy, bababa na kami. Ano ba yan? Gusto ko pang makasama yung naka-blue. Charas. Ay, sasama pala siya. Hala. It's raining, man. Gusto ko to, parang Pinas, nagbabayad din. Uy, trim ko. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Nagbabay din yung driver. Wait lang. Tumatawid kami. Walang pedestrian. Buti na lang laking Pilipinas ako. Hindi natin kailangan ng pedestrian, mami. But thank you. Social naman pala. That's one of my favorite thing to do. Local transportation.
Yeah, local transportation.
Ang saya. Nakapag-local transportation na ako agad. Ang saya, di ba? First night, may local transportation. Ganon. Hi, it's a bit raining here, but that should be okay.
Yeah.
So, Jedun Wildscape. Grabe yung mukha ng mga, sorry. Grabe yung mukha ng mga tao sa Pakistan. No face card lahat. Nakakasakit sa puson. Chares. So, ayun. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're looking for kabili pulaw as requested. Ang walang kamatayang kabili pulaw talaga
we're gonna
naman.
be trying tuso later.
Okay.
Tuso later is
Tuso. Kala ko ano yung sinasabi niya. Ito yung sinasabi niya, tuso. Okay. So, ayun. Kuy, tingnan mo yung mga tao. Diyos ko po, sa salimang magkakaibigan, lahat sila check. Sorry. We're exploring Abbottabad. We are showcasing the beauty of Abbottabad, Pakistan. Pero pag may nakita, nawawala, nakakalimutan. Kung nilalaro tayo ng mga taga-Pakistan. Sa limang magkakaibigan, 5 face card. Bakit? Hi, we are waiting for the food. So I saw kabili pulaw. I'm already happy. Walang tanong-tanong, basta may kabili pulaw, okay na ako. O, diba? Ay! Nalaglag ko. Okay lang, ako na. Tagalog din naman ako. So, the story of Jadun is that I have been searching for a vlogger in Pakistan, like a content creator, a vlogger here in Pakistan, someone who's doing like a campfire chef.
would you rather be hungry
or sleepless?
Yep.
So, what's your answer again?
My answer was
Hungry.
Hungry.
Same.
Yep. Same.
Yeah.
Why is that so?
Huh?
Why is that so?
Because I'm used to fasting. I only eat like one full meal a day. So
That's the life of a travel blogger. Sometimes,
What?
how would you explain it?
no, it's because I'm still adjusting. You see me, I eat in the morning. Because you invite me, of course, I have to eat.
Yeah.
But if I were to choose, I'm not gonna really eat. But if I'm alone, I would eat like around 5 in the afternoon, and then that's it. Hello, ang saya. Ay! The camera. I will help you. Nahirapan na siya. Ako na. Let me assist you. Okay. Shukriya! Ay! Ano nangyayari, kuya? Hoy, we are done with our first part of the night with the meal. So we are heading to the next. I don't feel comfortable now. I wanna take shower. Mag-aano tayo? Kabuli pulaw hunting. Naubos yung kabuli pulaw doon. Ubos na siya. Hi, showing you just a little bit more of the place. We are walking right now.
Yeah.
Say hi, oh. Nag-hi siya, oh. Humahabol pa sa camera, oh. Ikaw talaga. In the Philippines, we call it Sampaguita ba to? Sampaguita? Ha?
Bato.
Bato? Oh, you can wear it.
Alright.
Hoy, phase 2 na kami. We're in phase 2. Yung phase 2 may siyang vibes. Parang Luneta vibes. Ang taray. Ano kayang ginagawa nila dito?
Yeah, there's the Minister Cafe.
Sudo. Ludo.
Yeah.
Nagluludo naman pala. Kayo talaga. Yung mga taga-Pakistan, gandang-ganda sa akin. Hindi nila alam, inggit na inggit ako sa kanila. In Pakistan, the more you have flat nose, the more you look cute. If you're a foreigner, ha. Pero sa Swabi, binabanas nila ako. Lagi nila ako sinasabihan na flat nose. Sila uli mga bata doon. Tinuruan kasi ni Patan. Ang gwapo, di ba? Yung mga nahahagip ng camera. It's okay. Yung mga nahahagip ng camera ko, di ba? Parang ano na to? Saan na kami pupunta? Kami Allied Bank. Oy, everybody, if you're going to Pakistan, Allied Bank, to everyone in Dubai, Allied Bank is your partner if you need to withdraw your money. If it didn't work, then you have to go somewhere in Islamabad. Because there was an Allied Bank also in Mari, but it doesn't work there. So, you also have to make sure of that. Hoy, yung nilalakaran ko at the moment, parang sa likod ng Dampalet, sa Santo Rosario Parish Church. Choir ako dati doon. Shout out sa mga choir ko. Hello po sa inyo. Thank you. They stop sometimes, they give me free ride.
Yeah.
May nagbibigay ng free ride. Thank you! Sayang. If I'm alone, I will ride. You know that. Kilala niyo ako. Pag ikaw mag-isa ako, sumakay na ako dun. Kabili pulaw.
Kabuli pulaw, yes.
Have! Hoy, natagpuan na ang kabili pulaw.
This is like Miss Monroe.
Coco.
Yes.
Salam alaikum.
नंबर दे रहा हूँ.
You speaking Khatak?
Katak salam alaikum.
You speaking.
I said salam alaikum.
Khatak salam alaikum.
Katak salam alaikum.
Wo.
Niloloko ako nito, oh. Kala niyo hindi ko siya papatulan. Katak salam alaikum. Nagtitripan ako nito. Ulo lang, guwapo nun. Malangge. Coke power.
Special about Shinwari.
What's your specialty?
Dumba. Shinwari karai.
Shinwari. I like Shinwari karai. Good. Kung nakaitim na ba, ano, bagit so?
This cutter. Wash cutting.
Dahil mong alam, apir. Dahil mong alam, tama na. Naloko muna ako eh. Tama na to. Si Kuya, chumika lang. Wala naman palang kabili pulaw. Ha?
It's finished.
Yeah. See my face? Yeah. Yeah. Yung face card sa sa Pakistan parang rice sa mang inasal, unlimited. Yung parang sa isang pamilya, hindi pwedeng ang ending KFC. Walang kabili pulaw. Okay, everybody, since we weren't able to find kabili pulaw, the bagsak is KFC. No choice, it's almost 12 in the morning, 12 in the midnight there, so ayun. Let's do KFC para matapos na lang tong araw na to. Sabi nung kinalapit ako nung bata. Tapos sabi niya, hi daw siya sa camera. May bata, artista na yan sa Pinas. Everybody, so ayun, we are finally done. I'm finally done with my day. So, back in the hotel. Kind of a tiring day, to be honest. So, from Islamabad to Abbottabad, and then went straight to get dinner. And unfortunately, we weren't able to find kabili pulaw, but that's okay. So, bonus clip. Bonus clip. So, I just wanted to answer some questions, yung mga usually na nakukuha ko. Okay, unahin na natin first. How much is the visa to Pakistan? So, as far as I remember, it's $25. So, that's gonna be around 1,000 in pesos and somewhere around 100 dirhams. 80 to 100 dirhams. Requirements, actually, sobrang daming requirements if you are coming from the Philippines, okay? You will have to submit a lot of things. I'm not sure because I haven't applied visa na nasa Pinas ako. So, almost all of my visas, I applied it outside of the Philippines. Safe po ba sa Pakistan? Yes, it is safe in Pakistan, but please keep in mind that there are places that are restricted, lalo na kapag near sa border ng Afghanistan. Ayun. Personally, I don't think na kailangan ng security, ha. Personally, I don't think that it's actually dangerous, but again, it's only the locals who can really say if there's actually if it's actually dangerous for you or not. So when I was in Peshawar, I talked to some of the locals and I told them so many times, I feel so safe even here in KPK in Peshawar. Yeah, it is safe, but just be extra careful because still you are a foreigner. Para mga ganun. So parang like you get attention from the people. But this is my second visit. I kind of feel, to be honest, I would still say the same thing, that I still find Pakistan very safe. So may nagtatanong din, is it safe for a solo traveler kapag babae? Is it safe for a solo woman traveler to travel in Pakistan? The answer is yes. But please do mind as well to parang dress accordingly na rin. So, minsan kasi may nakikita ako, no, na parang may mga tourist na parang you know that you're visiting a conservative country or yung mga country na sabihin na nating may mga dress code, kumbaga, and they would still wear whatever they wanted. So, I think it is just smart. Like, Pakistan is a developing country, but still, please, like, wear dress properly. Okay? So,
Another question that I get, bakit hindi ako nagdadamit babae sa Pakistan? Actually ha, I think that it is okay. It is kind of like allowed, but like not like in a vulgar way. Vulgar ba yun? O basta parang ganoon. You can dress, but I chose not to. Kumbaga parang neutral lang. I might, it's okay. Yeah, I might wear one day, mga ganyan. But I'm open. I'm actually thinking about it, you know, as a social experiment as well on how would actually people react if they see me like the clothes that I was wearing in India, like a long palda and then covering my hair. I'm open, okay? I'm not saying that. I am not saying that it is not allowed. I am actually, because I can see a lot naman. I am seeing transgenders here, like local transgenders as we would like to call them and as they preferred to be called that way. And by the way, isingit ko na rin, I mentioned this so many times, I am not a transgender, okay? Wala pong ginawa kay Tourette. Ano, ganitong ilaw? Ano to? Niloko niyo ba ako? So, I didn't do anything. So, whatever you see sa akin, lahat, it's 100% walang binago, walang idinigdag, walang mga kung ano-ano. So, call me anything. Kahit tawagin mo akong sir, kahit tawagin mo akong kuya, brother, okay lang talaga ako. Okay talaga sa akin, okay? Most especially if I'm visiting conservative villages. So, if they call me brother, if they consider me like as one of their brothers, that's totally fine with me. I am happy about it, okay? How long is the process for visa? Usually, it's gonna take, for me 2 to 3 days. Mga ganyan. Sa akin ba parang nakaraan nga, parang a day lang before eh. So, a day lang parang nakuha. Kinabukasan lang parang nakuha ko na. Okay? So, ayun. A quick story time. So, when I was in Thailand, I think it was actually from India, if you remember when I was in India. So, hindi ko siya ni-reveal actually, but I was supposed to go straight from India, cross the Wagha border going to Pakistan. So, I was supposed to be back in Pakistan since last year, November. And then, ano ba ako lang sa India? So, January na ba ako nag-India? Basta kalimutan ko na. Basta parang India, and then I was supposed to cross the Wagha border. Unfortunately po, I wasn't able to get my visa. So, that was the reason kung bakit medyo natagalan yung comeback natin sa Pakistan. So, like, ang dami kong plan na na-cancel. I was supposed to meet a lot of, people here and, few bloggers as well. Another thing, and it's not once, okay? It's not once. I got my visa rejected twice. I think where you are applying visa actually matters. So, ayun. I applied that when I was in Thailand and I didn't get it. Then, when I was in Dubai, I applied again. So, this is the third one. It was rejected just because of the photo. Okay? I'm not sure. It's just, they told me it didn't match my current camera like that. So, I applied, used a new photo, and then it's like literally approved the next day. So, ayun, I think it also matters where you are applying your visa. And I don't advise that, for example, you don't have... Okay, I'm not sure. I cannot say this, but something like, if it's your first time to fly anywhere in the world, and then you're flying straight to Pakistan, I think it's really gonna be hard for you. But again, I don't know. You might or you might not get it, but just, in my personal experience na ako napalipad-lipad, I still got rejected for that. I still got my visa rejected. And they didn't provide any reason. And hindi ko na rin pinush masyado, to be honest. Parang ano lang ako nun. When I applied for it, parang matanggap or hindi, I'm okay with that. So, ayun. So, ayun. Gawa pa tayo ng more Q&A. Because I'm also really tired now. So, ayun. Babalikan ko kayo, magkwentuhan tayo, and I was thinking to actually answer questions kapag nag-end na ako ng bonus clip. I think it's a good idea to answer at least 2 to 3 questions every time na I'm ending my vlog. Di ba? Para I make sure na I connect with you guys. And please, in this vlog, and this Pakistan season 2, please just allow me to enjoy. It's still a travel vlog, but it's like, for me this time, it's like sharing my personal experience, personal journey, And, just me enjoying life. That's it. I just really wanted to enjoy this vlog. And again, please do support me. If you're, again, new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button on. I have 2 TikTok accounts, Instagram, Facebook. It's Kay Toretto Official or Kay Toretto or YouTube Kay Toretto. Yeah? Ayun lang. Magkita-kita tayo on the next episode. So, ayun. And please comment down below kung ano pa yung mga questions nyo. I will do my best. Okay, sorry. Sobrang hina ng signal sa Pakistan, like literal na yung isang TikTok, minsan bago ko ma-upload, umaabot minsan ng 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yung pinaka-worst niyan, 1.5 hour per 1 minute video. Ayun. I hope na na-enjoy nyo tong episode na to. Quick episode, quick sharing of my experience here. First night in Abbottabad, good night. I love you all. Again, whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're doing okay. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. This is Kay Toretto. Good night from Abbottabad, Pakistan. Ang sarap namang sabihin ng Abbottabad, Pakistan. Bye!
And we're not